We'll guide you through how to make newspaper texture in After Effects. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import your image or video into the project panel and add it to the timeline so it becomes your main footage layer. Apply tint or black and white effect to remove color and create a classic newspaper style look. Then add noise or grain effect to simulate printed ink texture and add visual roughness. If desired, apply mosaic to create a more pixelated, printed appearance. You can also use roughen edges to give the footage a worn or torn paper effect. After that, import a newspaper texture image and place it above your footage layer in the timeline. Change the blending mode to multiply or overlay so the texture blends naturally with the footage underneath. Lower the opacity until the texture looks subtle and realistic without overpowering the image. If needed, add a slight blur to soften harsh details and improve blending. You can also adjust contrast and brightness to match the texture with the overall scene. Fine-tune the grain amount and texture strength until the newspaper effect looks balanced and authentic. Continue refining all settings so the final result feels cohesive and visually convincing. This effect is commonly used in retro, documentary, and storytelling video styles to create a more nostalgic atmosphere. It also helps enhance visual storytelling by making modern footage feel older and more meaningful. Once everything is complete, preview the result by playing the timeline from the beginning and check that the newspaper effect looks natural and smooth. Finally, add the composition to the render queue and click Render to export the final video.